Milo, you gonna come up? Chris. Don't scare him. Don't scare him. Hi, Milo. So you climbed up a ladder, dude.